after that. Multiple paychecks, that's what this opportunity is all about. Other companies don't do what we do. You know, we've got the ability to create 5 to 10 monthly paychecks for each and every one of you. I'm talking about month after month. So, but here's what I was thinking about having my coffee. All right, now we're promoting the triple play. But when you stop and think about it, you know, this is a decision each person has to make. You can work each one of these, you can just pull one out and work one all by itself if that's what you want to do. But you can pick and choose your game plan. Now, you know, I love the triple play. You know, Freeway to Success, recipes, and the $1 thing. It's just $25 a month. But there's another way to help people get started. And you just think about this as you look for different ways to promote the opportunity the way that you want to promote it, okay? Freeway to Success is just $5 a month, you know, and the $1 thing, $1 a month. So for $6 a month, you've got the ability to pick up a very quick, you know, $700+ and that comes from, you know, helping build 2 levels, which we call the foundation, and helping those guys do the same thing, and now you're earning $730 in Freeway to Success. Not really you're earning a few bucks in the $1 thing, but what you're doing, each one of these 2 packages, you know, they have 2 very powerful upgrades. So the cost to get started, once again, $5 per month for Freeway, $1. Of course, when you pay for the year, $12, you're only looking at $5 anyway, but it's a good $6 per month. It's just a good little advertising way of grabbing people's attention, okay? But those 2 upgrades, now think about it. When you upgrade from basic to gold, you know, and you continue to help 5 people, you know, 5 helping 5, that's your foundation. And then when they do the same thing, you know, as you continue to go down this, you know, financial road that you're on, look what happens when you get to the 5th level. It's over $18,000, but in that first upgrade. But when you do the first upgrade in the $1 thing, you've just turned that into an extra $1,700. And then, you know, it's just amazing what one little upgrade can do to your income. And if you continue, if you're waiting on everybody else to do it for you, you know, then, you know, it could take a while. But if you're willing to hop in here and help 5 people, help them help 5, but you don't stop there. You continue to help people day after day after day. But now, that's just one way of promoting. I love that 1-2 punch like that, Freeway and the $1 thing. But for me, I also love the triple play, and here's why. You build the foundation, you know, and, you know, there's no monthly for the $1 thing, $20 for recipes, but then 5 to get started, you know, in the basic package there. But look what happens when you build your foundation, you know. And then you've got yourself in profit, all right? Now and then, you know, you help those guys on level 1 and 2, those 5 and those 25, build their foundation, and it gives you an extra, take a look at this, $1,360 a month. Look at the next page. You got 4 levels all of a sudden, and that's $2,000 plus. Now, if you take recipes out, which you can do, you're still making, you know, some money, $730, but it's amazing. The same amount of time and effort can give you $2,000 plus. And then when you do the little bitty upgrade, all of a sudden, getting to $5,000 a month is a piece of cake. You know, you're going to add these 2 packages. This is a no-brainer because it's instantly putting $500 a month in your pocket. And you're cycling like crazy in the 2x2. So the cost for that is, what, $25 one time, and with 155 people, 5, 25, 125, look how fast you're cycling. You see what I'm talking about? So Dale and I were talking yesterday about some people not making money in this opportunity that had joined Freeway a long time ago. And the question is, and it kind of intimidates some people when you ask them this, well, did you do anything? Did you tell anybody? Did you share this with anybody at all? And so the reason you don't make money is you don't have a game plan. And we've got some leaders here that follow the game plan, help a lot of people, and they're making money. And so I'm just trying to show you there's I used this terminology one time, and a person that had some cats. So there's a guy here that's on the call that's got cats, and I don't mean this in a bad way, but there's more than one way to skin a cat. You know what I'm talking about. So, but we've got an opportunity here that is very, very, very powerful if you are willing to put a little bit of time and effort into it. This is all about the power of the upgrade, you know, the power of 2 and the power of 3 even, and all about, you know, putting together a team build. And, you know, when you follow your sponsor, when you, you know, work together as a team and you go through these steps, your income's going to grow. And then when you can sprinkle in the ability to compound your money through another package, and we've got about 3 of them that we can share with you, it just, once again, takes your income to another level. So, you know, here's the Emerald upgrade. Yeah, it's just $12. And then when you look at the gold package in a few minutes, when you upgrade that, it's only $15. And just on 4 levels, which is very doable, you're earning some really good money as you tap into these different packages. So hopefully I didn't confuse you too bad, but, you know, I just think this is absolutely one of the best opportunities, you know, in the marketplace today. So moving forward, let's take a look at, the $5,000. Now think about this, the power of 2, all right, the power of 2. And, you know, the $5,000 for you, $5,000 for your spouse or your company, whatever the case may be. That's 10 monthly paychecks, 2 income centers. And this is very, very, very doable. $10,000 a month, and, you know, 4 to 5 months is a heck of a return on your time and effort. And, you know, for lack of a better word, it's so doggone doable. You stay in the game, you follow the steps, you do the things that you know that you need to do to make this a successful venture for you, then this is a journey that you definitely don't want to miss, because it can change your world financially. And when you tap into the power of the upgrades, now look at this. We talked about, you know, upgrading to Emerald and the $1 thing. And then look what happens when you upgrade to Diamond. You know, your income there, $5,460, $1,638, $131, over $7,200 a month. Look at the gold package. Yeah, we can, you know, look at that 4th level all day long because it's so doable. Your foundation, once again, they build their foundation, and that creates in your upgrade $2,770. But as you continue to move forward, and you will, you're looking at $18,000 plus per month, because you're helping 5. You've got other people that are zeroed in on helping 5, and it just makes sense. This is similar to some of the webinars that we have where, you know, everything fits like a puzzle, and you can see it all kind of coming together. And if you really do your homework, compare this opportunity with other opportunities out there, and take products out of the equation, you know, because this product packages that we have here, you know, they're not going to make you lose weight. They're not going to make you look younger, all that type thing. But when you compare compensation plans, this one's hard to beat because of the upgrades and because of the power of 2 and the power of 3. So think about it. The upgrade in the 3x3. 39 people, 5 helping 5. That's 30. You're 9 short of earning 500 when you first tap into that. But 5 helping 5 helping 5, you've got a ton of spillover and you've got it filled up. And then when you move to phase 2, there's another 510. So over $1,000 right there. And all of this just once again fits together like a puzzle. So take a look. As the kind of lost my thought. I think we got another upgrade here. We got $14,000, and then I think we go to the platinum package. And this is just the second upgrade. You saw what the second upgrade in the $1 thing, did. It put $7,200. Look what this upgrade will do. Just on the 4th level, over $10,000. But on the 5th level, and when you get started, if you really go after this, 5 helping 5, 5 helping 5, 5 helping 5, every day you're out adding to your team as if, there's no tomorrow. Just get out there and do it and earn $18,000. When you upgrade, you're looking at $47,000 a month just in the Freeway to Success package. And the number of people within your team carries over to the other 4 packages, 7,200 plus in the $1 thing. And, we could, go on and on with the other packages. But the point is, you've got your hands on an opportunity here that can definitely change your world, financially. And when you look at how quickly all of this can happen if you put the team in place, if you share this with somebody every day and, don't settle, for just mediocrity. Go for it. And this is, an opportunity that's well worth it, because as we show you these numbers, these are real numbers. And I encourage you to go back and do the math. When you look at it, a team of 5 coming together to help, do the same thing. That's 5 plus 25. And then each one of those 25, as you spend time with each person and let them know what our goal is and that we're going to be working together, then the dollars, match the time and effort. You see what I mean? $20,000 a month in roughly 6 months or so. It's definitely worth, once again, the time and effort. Now, take a look at, our 5 packages again. You can pick and choose. You can do the 1-2 punch, and your 1-2 punch could be Freeway and recipes. It could be Freeway and the $1 thing. But the triple play, that's what I'm promoting, and that's Freeway, recipes, and the $1 thing. And keep in mind, it's just $25 a month. But what I'm after is helping them get to $5,000 a month in just a few months. And the way that happens is, and I know all of you know this by now because I've said it a million times, it seems like, those 5 people, which is level 1, help their 5 get into the game, and that's 25 on level 2. And then when those 30 people do the same thing, you've got 4 levels filled up, and you're earning $2,000 a month. And then when $60,000 for your spouse or company. Now that's $120,000 per month, right? For the 2 centers. Now multiply that times 12 months. So this page here is all about our products, and they're going to save you money. When we started this in 2009, Amazon wasn't out there, and all Amazon has done is helped us. You can save money with different things that Amazon does. You can save money with these, but we're totally compliant. They are doing what we started out doing, which means you don't have to look over your shoulder to wonder if you've got products. We do have a lot of good products. I was reading through one of the e-books that we wrote, and It's in Freeway to Success. You should go in there and read it. It's, pretty good. 9 steps to your financially if you decide to, put the proper time and effort in it. This is one of the best opportunities in the marketplace. When you compare compensation plans, this one's hard to beat. When you can go from basically pocket change, $6 a month, and start making sizable income month after month after month, and you pick and choose on how you want to, put it all together. Now, today is Saturday. Time changes tonight for those that haven't thought about it, and but if you need to get in touch with me, I'm working on some emails for some guys in Canada. I'm working on some things for some of the members right now. I'll try to get all of that finished up here this afternoon. Probably won't happen until I get back from Chick-fil-A after a while, and or I shouldn't say after a while, in about 30 minutes or so. And I'm here to win, and I hope you are too. I don't like to lose, and if there's anything that you need, just let me know, and we'll do our best to get it over there to you. I've got a bunch of old handouts, but they're in Word, and you can go in and change them around. I do it all the time, and I'll be glad to send you just tons of stuff. Just send me an email. Let me know, send it over. And, it doesn't matter how old they are, because you can go in and change it all. So I'll be glad to get things like that to you. Just let me know. So, guys, have a great day. If you need me, I'll be working this afternoon. Just let me know. All right, talk to you soon.